The internet has become an integral part of our lives, providing us with endless opportunities and possibilities. One of the most exciting aspects of the internet is the ability to make money online. In 2024, there will be even more opportunities to earn a significant income from the comfort of your own home. Here are 10 easy ways to make money online in 2024. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing has become a popular way to make money online, and it will continue to be a lucrative option in 2024. With the rise of remote work and the gig economy, there will be a high demand for freelancers in various fields such as graphic design, content writing, social media management, and more. If you have a skill or talent, you can offer your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. 2. Online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay people for their opinions and feedback on products and services. Online surveys are a quick and easy way to make money in your spare time. There are various survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Taluna that pay for completing surveys. With more companies looking for consumer insights, this will be a reliable way to make some extra cash in 2024. 3. Virtual bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is a vital aspect of any business, and with the rise of online businesses, there will be a high demand for virtual bookkeepers. If you have a background in accounting, you can offer your services remotely to businesses looking for bookkeeping assistance. Websites like Bookminders, Belay, and Upwork offer opportunities for virtual bookkeeping jobs. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. With the increase in e-commerce, this will be a profitable way to make money in 2024. You can join affiliate programs of popular brands or sign up for affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. 5. Online teaching. The demand for online education has skyrocketed in recent years, and this trend will continue in 2024. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online courses and earn money. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable allow you to create and sell online courses on any topic you are knowledgeable about. 6. Social media management. In 2024, social media will still be a crucial marketing tool for businesses. As a result, there will be a high demand for social media managers who can create and manage engaging content for brands. If you have a knack for social media, you can offer your services to businesses looking to establish a strong online presence. 7. Virtual event planning. With the rise of virtual events, there will be a need for virtual event planners. If you have experience in event planning, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals looking to host online events. You can assist with tasks such as scheduling, coordinating speakers, and managing technical aspects of the event. 8. Create and sell digital products. Digital products like ebooks, printables, and digital art are gaining popularity, and this trend will continue in 2024. If you have a creative side, you can design and sell digital products on platforms like Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, or your own website. 9. Online transcription. Transcription involves converting audio or video files into written documents. With the increase in online videos and podcasts, there will be a high demand for transcription services. You can offer your services on websites like TranscribeMe, Rev, or GoTranscript. 10. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative services to clients remotely. With the rise of remote work, there will be a high demand for virtual assistants in 2024. You can offer services such as email management, scheduling, data entry, or social media management on platforms like Fancy Hands, Time, etc., or Zirtual. The internet has opened up endless possibilities for making money online. With the right skills and determination, you can take advantage of these opportunities and earn a significant income in 2024. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or a full-time career, these 10 easy ways to make money online can help you achieve your financial goals.